From a mini donut maker to beach sandwich maker, these 12 amazing kitchen gadgets you need are on Amazon, and they're game changers. Before you make any purchases, check out these incredible gadgets that could completely transform your daily routine. You can find links for these products in the video description. Check them out and find a perfect gadget for yourself. Let's get started. Number 12, a glass rinser for the kitchen sink. A really useful tool that makes cleaning your cups, bottles, and glasses easy. No more cleaning, soaking, or having a hard time getting to difficult areas. Simply press your cup down and a strong spray will clean away all the leftover bits. Just lift it up and the water stops. It's that easy. It works on everything: baby bottles, wine glasses, travel mugs, you name it. Also, it's very easy to set up. Just replace your old sink sprayer or soap dispenser and you're ready to use it in just a few minutes. Let's talk about style. Its smooth matte black look is great for any kitchen. Also, it repels water spots and fingerprints, so it's always looking clean. This rinser with its smart drainage system will keep your kitchen clean and become your new favorite helper. Number 11, electric spin scrubber cleaning brush. Cleaning by hand is the worst, isn't it? Sore arms from rubbing and still dealing with stubborn spots that won't go away. Meet your new cleaning helper, the electric power brush. It does the tough tasks for you, making cleaning quicker and simpler. This portable electric scrubber includes 6 brush heads, making it great for cleaning various surfaces like bathroom tiles, greasy kitchen areas, and your car. Got tough dirt? No problem. Pick one of the 2 speed options to clean up the mess quickly. This item is made to fit well in your hand, making cleaning easy and comfortable. The rechargeable battery lasts a long time, so you can clean it without having to stop for a refresh every few minutes. Simply charge it, pick it up, and clean up any mess easily. This scrubber makes cleaning surfaces like tables and car interiors faster, easier, and much less annoying. Number 10, Dash Mini Donut Maker Machine. The Dash Mini Donut Maker is a small, powerful cooking tool that makes it easy and fun to create tasty donuts. Once you use it, you'll be amazed you ever lived without it. In a hurry? Sure thing. Just plug it in and it's good to use. No tricky settings or delays. In just a few minutes, you can make up to 7 tiny donuts. They're great for quick snacks, weekend treats, or fun family baking times. It's so easy that kids can help. Do you have fussy eaters? Do you have a large family? This little machine is a game changer. You can make regular donuts, healthier ones, or just try new flavors. What's the best part? The smooth surface makes cleanup easy. Just wipe it and you're done. This donut maker is small and won't take up much space on your kitchen counter. Also, its stylish design and trendy colors make it look nice when it's on display. This donut maker is perfect for weddings, housewarmings, or just to surprise a friend. It'll always be a hit. Number 9, Smart Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. It uses Brewit technology that recognizes your K-Cup pod and automatically changes the settings to make your coffee taste great. Just press a button and enjoy. No more guesses or adjustments. And that's not all. It comes with roaster recommended brew settings created by actual coffee experts. This means that no matter which K-Cup pod you use, you will always enjoy the best taste. Now let's talk about flavor, because that's what's really important, right? With multi-stream technology, this coffee maker ensures that all the coffee grounds are soaked evenly. What is the result? A tastier, smoother, and more fragrant cup of coffee. This machine makes hot coffee that tastes great even when it's iced, so your drink stays tasty until you finish. It looks great on your table. Its stylish black stainless steel design looks great and is also smart. Number 8, electric can opener and knife sharpener. Ever fought with a stubborn can? Twisting, turning, and almost giving up? Yeah, we have all been there. But with this gadget, those days are over. Thanks to its powerful 60-watt motor and sharp stainless steel blade, it opens cans effortlessly. Just press a button and like magic, the lid lifts right off. No struggling, no mess, no frustration. Just smooth can opening in seconds. It's like having a kitchen assistant without the backseat cooking advice. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any old can opener, it's stylish too. Available in fun colors, it adds personality to your kitchen. Plus, its compact design and built-in cord storage means your countertops stay clutter-free and neat. And let's talk about cleanup, because who has time for extra mess? The removable cutting lever and magnetic lid holder make tidying up a breeze. Subscribe now to get the best gadget videos delivered straight to your screen. Not sure yet? Give us a try. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell like you're about to enjoy the ultimate snack. Don't miss our next must-have gadget. It's one you won't want to live without. Number 7. Digital Kitchen Food Scale with Bowl. This cooking scale makes measuring simple. It measures items in small amounts, down to 0.1 ounces or 1 gram, so your recipes are perfect. Whether you're making a cake or adding a little spice to your special sauce, this scale helps you measure accurately every time. The bright backlit screen is easy to read, so no more looking at tiny numbers. With one tap, you can change between ounces, grams, pounds, and milliliters. Do you need to measure milk? Sure thing. Flour? No problem. This scale can be used for both wet and dry items. It includes a large portable stainless steel bowl that's great for mixing. And you know what? It has a convenient handle, making it easy to move around the house. This scale is easy to use and useful, making it essential for anyone who enjoys cooking or baking. It uses 2 AAA batteries, so just put them in, and you're all set. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. If you enjoy a tasty breakfast but don't want to put in a lot of effort, this handy tool will become your new favorite. And you know what? It's not only for food. Whether you need a fast lunch or a delicious dinner, this is perfect for you. Just add your favorite ingredients like crunchy bread, melty cheese, tasty meats, or anything else you enjoy and you're done. Make a beautiful sandwich in just a few minutes. Concerned about the mess? Don't worry, the parts come off easily and can be washed in the machine. And the non-stick surface means you don't have to scrub. Very simple, very quick, and really can change your life. Not sure what to create? Sure thing! Hamilton Beach has more than 25 sandwich ideas on its website to make things fun. Number 5. Touchscreen Toaster. Introducing the toaster that will transform your mornings. This toaster is special. It looks good and makes sure your bread is toasted just how you want it. No more guesses, no more burnt edges, and no more disappointing partially toasted bites. This 2-slice touchscreen toaster has many advanced features, but it's very simple to use. The colorful tablet lets you select from 34 different settings, so it can perfectly toast white bread, sourdough, or gluten-free slices. This one comes with Insta-Glow heating device. It heats up quickly, making the outside crunchy while keeping the inside warm, soft, and tasty. You can choose from 7 different browning levels, so whether you prefer your toast lightly browned or dark and crispy, this toaster has what you need. This toaster has a special gluten-free setting to ensure the bread toasts evenly. Do you want to make a panini? Get the Panini Press extension to turn this toaster into a small sandwich maker. This toaster has a smooth silver finish, making it not just a tool for toasting, but also a stylish addition to your kitchen, whether you're cooking breakfast for yourself or trying to impress friends at brunch. It looks great and works well. Number 4. Heat-resistant mat. Always afraid your lovely countertop might get burn marks from your coffee machine or air fryer? Bid farewell to that anxiety. This mat is absolutely a lifesaver. Constructed from super tough fiberglass and covered with heat-resistant silicone, it can withstand outrageous high temperatures, up to 982 degrees Fahrenheit. That implies, regardless of what you are cooking, no more heat damage. This mat is about making things easy rather than only protection. You have to relocate some hefty appliances. Just slide them over the smooth surface. There's no more lifting and struggling. Relax about slipping. The mat keeps your devices steady. Almost any kitchen appliance, air fryer, microwave, juicer, toaster, even a stand mixer fits this huge 23.5 inch into 15.5 inch. And once you're done, just fold it and hide it. Simple storage, no fuss at all. Number 3. Fruit and vegetable washing machine. Everyone welcomes new, clean food instead of dirt, toxins, and bacteria. When it comes to preserving your fruits, vegetables, meat, and seafood safe to consume, this small device is a powerhouse. In just 3 easy stages, it removes dangerous elements using hydroxy water ion purification technology. It first forms small, strong ions from water. These ions then render chemicals, dirt, and bacteria benign by breaking them down. Still, this device has purposes beyond eating. It may also be used to sanitize utensils, clean cooking tools, and even polish your jewelry. Small and light, it fits any bowl or sink, so you may use it anywhere, no bother, no mess. Using it couldn't get simpler. Press a button to have fresh and safe to eat food in 10 minutes. Given the removable top cover, cleaning is quite easy. Furthermore, it's wireless and rechargeable. Hence, there's no irritating cord to bother with. A single charge runs up to 25 uses, and is totally waterproof for additional security. Number 2. Electric Mason Cordless Vacuum Sealer Kit. Introducing your new best friend for food freshness, the Electric Mason Cordless Vacuum Sealer Kit. This little tool makes it simple, whether your goals are meal prep, snack packing, for a road trip, or leftovers. This package includes electric vacuum sealer, a wide mouth sealer, a converter for regular mouth jars, and both wide and regular mason jar lids. Just fresh excellence for longer, no more stale food. The best thing about it is it's cordless. There's no more juggling large, clumsy machinery. Take it anywhere, road trips, campsites, even your kitchen counter. Using it comes naturally. Just set it on your mason jar, push the button, and blast. Air is sucked out in 40 seconds or less. It covers whatever since it works with both wide and normal mouth jars. And here's the cherry on top. You won't have to question once again whether your food is sealed correctly. Furthermore, should you ever have questions, their courteous support staff is here around the clock. Don't just seal your jars, supercharge them with freshness they deserve. And at number 1, Wine Aerator Electric Wine Decanter. It works its magic, mixing air into your wine to accentuate smoother, richer flavors with just one button push. Simply a perfectly balanced glass every time. No more sharp, bitter tastes. This aerator prolongs the freshness of your wine and enhances taste in addition. Its airtight seal helps you not to worry about your bottle losing taste before you have had the chance to savor it. Let us now discuss the stability of the product. Not awkward pouring, no mess, nor spills. It leaves no undesired sediment and dispenses wine precisely and smoothly. The best thing is also that it is utterly silent. Just pure, elegant wine consumption free from the boisterous frenzy. It's very handy as well. You can carry a rechargeable battery and a USB charger anyplace. This aerator will help you whether your supper is elegant at home or you're drinking wine beneath the stars at a picnic. Which gadget did you like the most? Do let us know in the comments below, and for your convenience, I mentioned all these links in my bio, so make sure to check them and make sure you don't miss out on these amazing products.